Hey guys, real quick, just got a delivery from Amazon. Oh man. So I got excited because I thought I was getting ready to sell this Spider-Man mask yesterday. Uh, it would have been a real hit while I was over at Pat Robinson's house, uh, Regent University, making some sales, thinking that I was good to go because I was almost finished with this print and it would have been done by the time I finished packing up and had this bad boy ready to go for my event. And I had some Ziltech red, lipstick red that I bought at Hobbytown, USA. And got up in the morning and I was notified when I woke up that I was out of lipstick red. So I got up because I just knew that Hobbytown would have my filament when I finish at the gym, and we'll go over there and grab some real quick and finish the print off. Nope. The only color they didn't have was lipstick red. They had everything, Uncle Jesse's colors and all that. And they didn't have my color. I'm like, man, come on. So me thinking that I had something good to go and that would still match up, I came home and I had this Hobby Lobby filament, which is still some good filament and some good Spider-Man colors, but it's still not the color that I had already had. So no, I can't put this together and call myself selling two Spider-Man pieces in one. So it was no go. So I went ahead and looked online for Amazon, and I looked up Ziltech on Amazon, and they didn't even have it. They had a lot of Ziltech, but no Ziltech red. So for like next day, I didn't even see no Ziltech colors on Amazon for anything I needed. So I tried Elegoo, which I already ordered Elegoo stuff because I have Elegoo printers. But I'm trying my luck at this one and see what I got. But they look pretty similar. So I'm gonna try my luck at that and see what I get, because I got a show in 2 days. So this is a short one. Wish me luck. All right, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Had to get a quick video out. It's been a while, and I'm still going. I promised some guys that I would get Michael B. Jordan skin tones painted. I have, so don't call me a liar and jump off my page. I've been super busy, so life has been lifing, and I'm not gonna make an excuse. I'm just gonna reinvent and keep going, okay? But stay tuned for my move, because it's gonna happen. All right. So Sarge out. Peace.